In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run Google Display Ads. By the end, you'll be comfortable launching a display campaign that matches your goals and budget, and you'll know exactly which creative assets to prepare for the best results. Start by opening your browser and searching for Google Ads. Click the official Google Ads result so you're taken to the right place, not a third-party page. On the home page, choose Sign In. Enter the email address and password associated with your ad account. If your business uses a dedicated work account, sign in with that so you have access to the correct billing and tracking. Complete any verification prompts if they appear. Once inside your account, look to the left-hand menu. Click the campaigns icon and select campaigns to view your main dashboard. Here, click New Campaign to start fresh. Google will ask you to pick a goal. Choose the one that best reflects your objective. Brand awareness and reach if you want to get seen widely, or sales if you're focused on driving conversions. Next, select Display as your campaign type. Display campaigns place your ads across millions of websites, apps, and YouTube placements, so it's ideal for visual storytelling and scale. Set your budget thoughtfully. Display clicks are typically cheaper than search clicks, so a modest daily budget, around $10 to $20, can still gather useful data and impressions. You can always adjust after a few days based on performance. For bidding, pick Maximize Conversions if you already have conversion tracking set up. This lets Google's system find people most likely to take action on your site. If you're prioritizing visibility, choose Viewable CPM to pay for impressions that are actually seen rather than just served. For creatives, Google now favors responsive display ads. These automatically adapt to different sizes and placements, so you only need to supply the assets and let the system assemble the best combinations. Upload up to 15 high-quality images in both landscape and square formats. Add your brand logo so your ads look consistent and trustworthy. If you have them, include up to 5 YouTube video links to enrich your message and access more inventory. Then write up to 5 headlines and 5 descriptions. Keep headlines punchy, vary your angles, and make sure descriptions clarify your value and next step. Before you publish, check the ad strength indicator. If it shows poor or average, diversify your images, tweak headlines to be more distinct, and add alternative descriptions to improve reach and performance. When everything looks solid, review your settings one last time and launch your campaign.